My kindergarten teacher kind of laughs every time she sees my mom. She's like, "Oh, I still remember your daughter." Like, she did not know one word of English. My name is Yizel Vizcarra, and I'm a conversation engineer, and I teach English to a robot. Essentially, what I do is I do a lot of dialogue design and optimization. We build into our virtual agent, Ava. Ava stands for the Autodesk Virtual Agent. Ava is a chatbot that understands a lot of the customer's pain points. So Ava focuses on the questions for customer support inquiries. My team is essentially contributing to the automation of customer support. It fits into the digital platform and experience goals by making that effort towards a customer-centric company. I like to look at the stats as to how Ava's doing, what type of questions she's answering, maybe what our customers are complaining about in particular. So we have a dashboard that has customer verbatims and people can rate us on 1 to 5. And then after that, throughout the day, I build. So I engineer this conversation or a dialogue flow while still understanding the customer and how the customer will be perceiving this information and digesting this information. When we build a conversation, we use the IBM Watson platform, and we essentially fill in some blocks in a JSON format. You can see the conversation in a dialogue tree. And then we launch it into a development environment where we can visually see what we created. I think it's a role of many hats. So I have a cognitive science background, and it's already interdisciplinary in itself. Another team member, she has a computational linguistics background, philosophy background, and others in deep computer science. It's surprising to see all of us kind of work together and be able to understand or fill in a lot of our essentially knowledge gaps that we may have. But I think that the role in itself is from front end to back end, and it requires a lot of both collaboration but understanding of these processes. My team is fairly close. We tend to do lunches on Mondays and Wednesdays, and we also have a small golf tournament going on that we play on the 4th floor.
Yeah, so what options I have as a lefty?
Most of us take the bus after work back to the East Bay. We walk the same way. So it just became very natural for us to become very close in what we do, and sometimes outside of work, which I really appreciate from a team.
Oh, good block. Clear it out. Clear it out. Clear it. Clear it.
Hey Ava, how are you today?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Not many people would check in with an artificial intelligence machine.
Soon we're launching a video avatar of Ava where she will be able to perceive emotions as a camera's on, and if someone's frustrated, she will be able to respond with her face moving in real time. We're focusing on where we feel that a video avatar could really help the customer and build both that trust, have some type of comforting experience, but also get the customer to the right answer.
If you activate your microphone, I can respond to your voice. If you also activate the camera, I'll also be able to see your facial expressions.
And this is where we've implemented a bunch of catch-alls. We've allowed the customer to say restart. We've allowed the customer, if there's a previous step, they can say previous step. If they want to escalate to an agent, they can say escalate to an agent. I feel the challenges are big, but they're different beasts. Many people may argue that we're already in the uncanny valley and essentially making an AI seem too realistic. And it might be very uncomfortable for some people, but we're also trying to innovate, and we're trying to push what a chatbot can be. And I'm excited to see the outcome of it and see how our customers perceive it. In terms of digitizing Autodesk from an Ava perspective, it really creates some type of automated process in order to be quicker for our customers, right? And we're able to provide less one-on-one contact without taking away the customer experience and without taking away the right answer from the customer. I think that Autodesk is a leader in AI and machine learning technology, particularly focusing on virtual agents and automating customer support. simply because it's groundbreaking technology, and it's at the point where we have no idea how our customers are going to perceive it. But that is the risk that you take when you are a leading company in a certain field. I'm very excited to see where it goes.